हरिओम। जहाँ ले चलोगे वहीं मैं चलूँगा. A bhajan that is a powerful expression of unshakable faith and surrender to the divine. There are quite a few elements of bhakti or devotion in this bhajan. Intense love for formless God as well as God in the form of a true guru. Unwavering faith that God's will is always for my best interests. Unconditional surrender to follow the guidance of a true guru. A state of desirelessness and thoughtlessness about past and future. Sheer bliss of living in the present moment. All of it leading to living in devotion of God 24/7. Such one-minded devotion leads to a state of oneness with the divine, ultimately leading to liberation and fulfillment. Let's deep dive into the bhajan. जहाँ ले चलोगे वहीं मैं चलूँगा, जहाँ नाथ रख लोगे वहीं मैं रहूँगा. Wherever you take me, O Lord, I will go. Wherever you place me, O Lord, I will stay. I will not question, I will not argue, I will not debate, as I know your will for me is your grace for me. I have joyfully aligned my will with your will, O Lord. Even when the path is full of challenges and adversities, there is something that I am meant to learn from it. And I know all of it is actually purifying me to elevate me to your level. Just how a parent is strict with a child sometimes to make the child learn and grow, these challenges in my life are an expression of your infinite love for me. As long as you are with me, O God, I can see the deeper meaning behind these challenges and obstacles. And I know you will make me win against them. So many times in life, especially in times of sorrow, grief, suffering, we keep questioning why me. But the spiritual path and bhajans like this teach us to reframe the question and ask, why not me? I am the chosen one to be walking the spiritual path, to attain the only purpose of this life, which is to be one with God. Then whatever it takes to achieve that, God will make it happen. Like how raw gold has to go through a furnace of fire to remove its impurities and transform into pure gold. Similarly, lovers of God, seekers of truth, are meant to face challenges of life to practically implement the spiritual wisdom, to become purer and purer with each instance, with each day, and eventually turn into gold, such that nothing externally affects us. And this cannot be possible until the ego is crushed, until unconditional surrender to divine happens, and outcomes are joyfully accepted with unshakable faith. Hence, a true lover of God says, wherever you go, take me, O Lord. Wherever you make me stay, I will stay. ये जीवन समर्पित चरण में तुम्हारी, तुम ही मेरे सर्वस्व, तुम ही प्राण प्यारे. तुम्हें छोड़कर नाथ किससे कहूँगा, जहाँ ले चलोगे वहीं मैं चलूँगा. This life is surrendered to you, O God. You are my everything. You are my beloved life. Apart from you, O Lord, to whom shall I speak and express? You are the only one who understands me and loves me infinitely. Having received the grace of human birth after 84 lakh births, a golden opportunity to get out of the birth-death cycle, the least I can do is to devote this life in your love, O Lord. And the best thing is that such devotion, such love gives me eternal bliss and unexplainable happiness, something I have never experienced in the material world. Such is your grace and infinite love for me, O God. By being in my life, by taking care of me every moment, loving me infinitely, you have already given me the highest happiness and fulfilled all my wishes. What else do I need in life, even though I am blessed to express to you whatever I need? I don't think I need anything else. I've got you, and that is everything. You fulfill all my needs even before I ask for them. I want to at least attempt to reciprocate your infinite love in every way I can. And the bestest way is to give my whole self to you, O Lord. I want to be with you every moment. I want to be your instrument. Where you take me, I will go. Wherever you make me stay, I will stay. न कोई उल्हाना ना कोई अर्जी, कर लो करा लो जो है तेरी मर्जी। कहना भी होगा तो तुम ही से कहूँगा, जहाँ ले चलोगे वहीं मैं चलूँगा। Neither do I have any complaint nor I have any request. Do as you wish. Whatever is your will is my will, O Lord. And that's the source of my bliss. If I have to say anything, I will say it to you only. Complete surrender to divine will and the wisdom of the true Guru means walking the spiritual path by implementing all the guidance that we receive from the Guru, from the scriptures of God. When we follow the divine guidance with joy and enthusiasm, irrespective of external circumstances or dualities of life like happiness or sorrow, fame and insult, happiness and sorrow, fame and insult, and such other highs and lows of life. When we follow divine guidance, even in such circumstances, that is when we are expressing our true faith in the divine. We are in complete obedience of God's will for us. We are working with the divine together on our life, making all the effort that is needed from us to grow on the spiritual path and making it the best life ever with divine grace as our companion. Such a life is a liberated life full of divine bliss, a Jivan Mukt life, as it has all elements of grace. Grace of God for granting a human birth, grace of a true Guru to impart light of spiritual wisdom in order to remove the darkness of ignorance from our life, and our own grace on ourselves by putting in the required effort on the spiritual path. भगवान की कृपा, सतगुरु की कृपा और अपनी कृपा, all types of grace are showering on us. So say with all conviction and love for God, wherever you take me, I will go. Whatever you make me do, I will do. Wherever you make me stay, I will stay. दयानाथ ऐसी है अब मेरी अवस्था, तेरे हाथ में सारी व्यवस्था। जो भी कहूँ, जो भी कहोगे तुम, वही मैं करूँगा। जहाँ ले चलोगे वहीं मैं चलूँगा। O Lord of mercy, O Lord of compassion, such is my state that now everything is in your hands. I have given all of myself to you. My entire life is devoted to you only. Whatever you say, I will do. Wherever you take me, I will go. Wherever you make me stay, I will stay. All of us have responsibilities, worldly responsibilities in our respective roles. And our biggest responsibility is Swadharma, is to know your own true self. Who am I? What is my connection to the divine? A true Guru makes us meet the divine within and gives us our true identity of a pure divine soul, which is not separate from God ever. Every role in life is lived to the best as we let God work through us. We become instruments of the divine. We carry out responsibilities as selfless service, nishkam karma, and leave the outcomes to the divine will. We cherish the magic of everything happening through us as divine energy and living a life that is worry-free, full of divine love and eternal bliss. Stay in the divine bliss every moment and keep telling God, जहाँ ले चलोगे वहीं मैं चलूँगा, जहाँ नाथ रख लोगे वहीं मैं रहूँगा।
जहाँ ले चलोगे वहीं मैं चलूँगा, जहाँ ले चलोगे वहीं मैं चलूँगा, जहाँ नाथ रख लोगे वहीं मैं रहूँगा, जहाँ ले चलोगे ये जीवन समर्पित चरण में तुम्हारे, तुम ही मेरे सर्वस्व, तुम ही प्राण प्यारे। ये जीवन समर्पित शरण में तुम्हारे, तुम ही मेरे सर्वस्व, तुम ही प्राण प्यारे। तुम्हें छोड़ कर नाथ किस से कहूँगा, जहाँ ले चलोगे वहीं मैं चलूँगा, जहाँ ले चलोगे वहीं मैं चलूँगा। न कोई उल्हाना, न कोई अर्ज़ी, कर लो करा लो जो हो तेरी मर्ज़ी। न कोई उल्हाना, न कोई अर्ज़ी, कर लो करा लो जो हो तेरी मर्ज़ी। कहना भी होगा तो तुम ही से कहूँगा, जहाँ ले चलोगे वहीं मैं चलूँगा। दयानाथ ऐसी है मेरी अवस्था, तेरे हाथ में अब सारी व्यवस्था। दयानाथ ऐसी है मेरी अवस्था, तेरे हाथ में अब सारी व्यवस्था। जो भी तुम कहोगे वही मैं करूँगा, जहाँ ले चलोगे वहीं मैं चलूँगा। जहाँ नाथ रख लोगे वहीं मैं रहूँगा, जहाँ ले चलोगे वहीं मैं चलूँगा, जहाँ ले चलोगे वहीं मैं चलूँगा, जहाँ